Jessica coming up here and doing her thing.
So, the intro of this song is, so I struggle with my mental health, and this last year was one of my toughest fights. I went down a rabbit hole, and I didn't realize how far I was in until my husband was pulling my toes back, telling me, nope, that ain't the way we're going. And so I've been in therapy for about 5 years now. I'm just gonna tell on myself, you know, because I want to better myself. I want to be better. It's me against me every day. And so I went into my therapy session, and she said, you know, I know you're a writer. And I said, yeah. And she said, well, you need to get a diary. And I said, no, ma'am, I have one. It's my Alvarez. And so she said, well, you need to go home and write that song. And I said, okay. So I spent about the next week whittling it down and really facing myself. And so I challenge you, if you have not had a face-to-face encounter with yourself, the sooner the better. Because once you come face-to-face with yourself, can't nobody tell you nothing. So this one's dangerous. It's a downward spiral, and I'm in bed, and I constantly feel like I'm insane, 'cause I'll breathe, oh, I'm dangerous.
Y'all give it up for Miss Jessica Peacock back there. Man, what a great round. What a great round. This was our last and final round. Jessica closed out just like it needed to be done. That was amazing. Everybody, so we're going to take a short little break.